Can you guess what's inside this box just by touching it? We're about to go on a thrilling adventure of touch and guess. Some of these items are soft, some are hard, and some are tricky. Get ready to challenge your senses and play along with us.
This one feels round and smooth. It bounces if you drop it. You can throw it, kick it, or catch it. What could it be? It's a ball! Fun fact, did you know balls are one of the oldest toys in the world?
This one is soft and fluffy. It feels cuddly in your hands. You hug it when you go to sleep. Do you know what it is? It's a teddy bear. Fun fact, teddy bears were named after President Theodore Roosevelt, who was called Teddy. This one feels smooth and cold. It has a long handle and a round end. You use it to eat your food. What is it? It's a spoon. Fun fact, spoons have been used for eating for thousands of years.
This one feels flat and square. You can open it and look inside. It has pages you can turn. What could it be? It's a book. Fun fact, reading books helps your brain grow strong and smart.
This one is small and waxy. It feels like a stick you can hold. You use it to make colorful drawings. Do you know what it is? It's a crayon. Fun fact, crayons were invented over 100 years ago so kids could draw in color. This one feels firm on the bottom. It has laces you can tie. You wear it when you walk outside. What is it? It's a shoe. Fun fact, shoes protect our feet so we can run and play safely.
This one feels soft and warm. You can fold it or wrap yourself in it. You wrap yourself in it when you go to bed. What could it be? It's a blanket. Fun fact, blankets keep us cozy and help us sleep better.
This one feels hard and square. It has 4 corners and edges. You can stack it with others to build things. What is it? It's a toy block. Fun fact, building blocks help kids learn shapes and balance.
This one feels long and curved. It has a smooth peel on the outside and is yellow in color. You peel it before you eat it. What could it be? It's a banana. Fun fact, bananas give us lots of energy because they are full of natural sugar.
This one feels round on the top. You wear it on your head. What is it? It's a hat. Fun fact, hats can keep you warm, cool, or just look stylish.
This one feels soft with little spaces. Your fingers can fit inside. You wear it on your hands when it's cold. What could it be? It's a glove. Fun fact, gloves keep our hands warm in winter.
This one feels smooth and round on top. It's hollow inside to hold your drink. What is it? It's a cup. Fun fact, cups have been used for thousands of years to drink water, milk, or juice.
This one feels hard on one side. It has bristles that poke a little. It helps you to untangle your hair. What could it be? It's a hairbrush. Fun fact, brushing hair keeps it neat and healthy.
This one feels small and hard. It has 4 little wheels. It rolls on wheels when you push it. What is it? It's a toy car. Fun fact, toy cars help kids imagine driving just like grown-ups.
This one feels soft and squishy. You can hug it or rest your head on it. You rest your head on it at night. What could it be? It's a pillow. Fun fact, pillows make sleeping comfy by supporting your head.
Great job, friends! You guessed